How would you like to own a new luxury 2-story or low-maintenance ranch home in Milford's fastest-selling community? Welcome to Willow Brook Farms, where we offer single-family and ranch homes near everyday conveniences. Hi, I'm Angie. Thanks for stopping by. Let me show you around. Whether you choose a spacious 5-bedroom home or ditch the stairs for a 1-level ranch, I'm certain we have a floor plan to fit your lifestyle. All of our homes include hardy board siding and masonry or stone fronts, providing quality and a beautiful streetscape that you'll be proud to call home. You'll enjoy having your kitchen wide open to the living space, so you'll never miss a conversation or a scene from your favorite show. Your owner's suite with a spacious attached bath is the perfect retreat at the end of a long day. Finish the basement for more space and have friends over for the Bengals game. Tucked away within the community green space are walking trails, charming ponds, and a picnic shelter for some quality family time. Choose from spacious walkout and cul-de-sac home sites offering water or wooded views, or a villa home site where you'll never have to cut grass again. Not only will you love your community and your home, but you'll love the premier Milford location. The Oasis Golf Club and Loveland Bike Trail are just minutes from your door. Visit the historic downtown Loveland and Milford areas for a great meal, or enjoy a night out at Cooper's Hawk Winery or the Kenwood Town Center. With the estates and villas at Willow Brook Farm situated so close to I-71 and 275, commuting to downtown Cincinnati is a breeze. So what do you think? Come see for yourself why so many have chosen to call Willow Brook Farm home. I'll see you when you get here.